Tickets are going fast for the series of gourmet dinners hosted by Swank Specialty Produce in Loxahatchee, Florida. And my RSVPMaker for WordPress plugin is part of that story. Of course, the main attraction is the quality of the food, the whole team of chefs, the wine, the beer, the music, the total experience. But RSVPMaker is helping promote all the reasons to make a reservation. RSVPMaker is a free WordPress plugin that I created and use in many of the digital projects I consult on. I've been working with the Swanks for several years, but this is actually the first year that we're not only marketing the events with RSVPMaker, but taking the registrations, collecting the payment, where previously they used an external ticketing system. Now, RSVPMaker supports event payments via Stripe or PayPal. They're using PayPal, and that support got an upgrade this year. Keeping the registration process within the website makes the website stickier, gives customers the opportunity to discover other products, services, and events. Now, all the best chefs in South Florida get their produce from Swank Farms, and in return, the Swanks give them this opportunity to showcase their talents at a Swank table dinner. The website was originally created by a designer previous to me using one of the page builder WordPress plugins or add-ons. I've rebuilt it using block theme techniques. So this is actually the 2024 theme. And for the single event post, we have the title is embedded inside a cover block. The cover block is set to display the featured image for that post. And we've also made some tweaks to the styling so that there is a black overlay to help at 50% transparency to help make the title stand out from the image background. I actually have a little bit of custom CSS as well, just to help make the text stand out a little bit more, and that is right here. The event listings use a variation on the standard WordPress query loop block. So the query loop block that you would use to display a listing of blog posts has been altered to make sure that the events are displayed in calendar order of the upcoming events. And within that, we have the title, the featured image, and a set of items representing the date, the excerpt, and the button to reserve. But all of these can be rearranged and customized however you would like. So for the Swank version, we have, again, a cover block, a smaller version of the cover block with the title and the date embedded inside that, then the read more, and then the button. So the idea is that people can read more if they need more details, but they can click to go straight to buy or reserve. And you notice the button color has been changed, and it's been changed to buy now rather than RSVP now. For the events themselves, RSVPMaker lets you edit your event content, create your event content in the same editor that you would use for a blog post or a web page. You can set the featured image, you can lay things out in columns, and upload images. For the actual event parameters, like the date, the time, the forum that will be used, the confirmation message that people are going to get after they register, and the event pricing, we have this little pop-up control panel. Also, because this is a series of events that all need to be formatted basically the same, we have an event template that we can be used to generate more events in the series. We also used the WordPress synced patterns feature where we can edit something and have those edits be reflected everywhere that block occurs across all the events and all the pages of the site where it is used. That's a quick tour of how the digital experience was created, but of course the actual experience of attending one of these dinners is much better. And so if you do come, look for me. My wife and I will be there at a couple of these events this season. And if you do, please let them know that Dave sent you.